New South Wales has recorded 28 coronavirus-related deaths overnight, while Victoria has seen 6 further deaths. NSW clocked 7,893 new infections, a decline from yesterday's number of 8,389. There are 2,321 people being treated in hospital, with 147 of those in ICU. NSW has clocked 7,893 new coronavirus cases. Photo by Jenny Evans of Getty Images, Getty. Meanwhile in Victoria, 7,169 cases were detected overnight. Of the new infections, around 2,700 were detected using traditional PCR testing, while the remainder were reported from positive rapid antigen test results. Currently, Victoria is managing 60,917 active cases of COVID-19. Of the active cases, 652 are being treated in hospital, while 28 patients are currently on ventilators in ICU wards. Read more. WHO issues warning for countries with high vaccination rates. Victoria records 7,169 new COVID-19 cases and 6 deaths. Photo by Diego Fedel of Getty Images, Getty. Nationwide, 93.7% of people aged 16 and over are fully vaccinated, while 8,838,517 total people over the age of 16 years old have received more than 2 doses. Drop in Queensland cases as students get set for school. Meanwhile in Queensland, thousands of students are preparing to return to school tomorrow after a 2-week delay caused by the state's Omicron wave. It comes as the state recorded another drop in new COVID-19 cases, with 5,746 reported in today's figures. There were 9 deaths and 726 people in public and private hospitals with COVID. 47 of those patients are in intensive care. Almost half of the states recorded COVID-19 deaths. 141 of 277 have been in aged care. Queensland reported its deadliest day in the pandemic, with 21 deaths and 8,508 new COVID-19 cases. In schools, masks will be mandatory for those in Year 7 and above and strongly encouraged for Years 3 to 6. However, unlike Victoria and NSW, Queensland will not ask students to conduct mandatory rapid antigen tests. Instead, they'll be handed one if they feel unwell. WA cases rise. Western Australia has recorded a rise in local COVID-19 cases, with 31 reported in the past 24 hours until 8 p.m. last night, up from 25 yesterday. Of the new local cases, 25 are linked to close contacts. WA also recorded an additional 15 cases related to travel into WA. Some of the new local cases were infectious in the community, WA Health said. Contact tracers are working to determine potential public exposure sites, which will be uploaded when confirmed. All cases are now in quarantine, and public health teams continue to investigate and monitor them. SA records 1 COVID-19 death. South Australia recorded 1,234 cases of COVID-19, a slight drop from yesterday's figures. There are now 218 people with COVID-19 in SA hospitals, with 13 in intensive care and 5 requiring ventilators. How Australia faced the emergence of the Omicron variant. View gallery.